Greetings to all and welcome to the session 8 of Unit 3 Reciprocating Machines for the course Machine Tool Technology. Course code is 15ME43T. Myself, Muhammad Imran, lecturer at the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Government Polytechnic, Karwar. So the course content. So we are briefing about the third unit, Reciprocating Machine. Allotted hour for this is 10 hours. So the weightage of marks is 30. 30 marks questions will come in annual examination. Percentage is 21% out of 100%. Today we are discussing about working of slaughter. As you know that slaughter machine is very similar to shaper machine. Only thing is that in the slaughter machine, the ram holding the tool reciprocates in the vertical direction. Remaining everything remains same as usual to the shaper. In shaper, the slaughter usually the rotating table is provided for holding the workpiece. This rotating table is mounted on the cross slide upon the top of the bed. So this slaughter usually carries a round table which can be feeded manually or through by hand rotation. So it will be given cross feed and longitudinal feed by manually or by power driven. It may be considered as a vertical shaper. The slaughter is considered as vertical shaper. The chief difference between the shaper and the slaughter is the direction of the cutting action. In shaper, the cutting action takes place in a horizontal direction, whereas in the slaughter, the cutting action takes place in vertical direction. The machine operates in a manner similar to the shaper. However, the tools move vertically rather than horizontal direction in shaper. The job is held stationary and the slaughter has a vertical ram and a hand power operated rotary hand or power operated rotary table. You can see in the figure. This is the ram. The ram carrying the tool at the end slides along the guideways provided in the ram in the vertical direction upon the workpiece stationary. It is held stationary. So the table is usually round. It is power driven or hand driven. So it can be given horizontal and cross feed like this movement and this movement will be given to the workpiece by means of this hand wheel or it may be power driven. The rotation of the table is also possible. So these are the different parts of the slotting machine. We have ram here carrying the tool at the end of the tool ram. This is the table and this is the cross slide. The table is mounted on the top of the cross slide. The cross slide is mounted on the base or bed. This is the feeding gear mechanism. This is the ratchet and foul mechanism for changing the direction of the cutting stroke from top to bottom. This is the column. The working of the slaughter. First, the workpiece that is to be slotted is mounted on the table. The workpiece to be slotted is mounted on this table. The table has a T slot. You can see here it is having a T slot that helps the workpiece to hold firmly on it. The slots are used to hold the workpiece by means of bolts and nuts firmly to the table. After clamping the workpiece on the table, an appropriate cutting tool is inserted into the tool head for cutting the metal. Here the tool is made up of HSL. After the workpiece is mounted on this table, the tool is mounted on this tool head. Usually the tool is made up of single point high speed steel. HSS steel is generally used for machining in slaughter, so that is having a single point. high-speed steel is a material of the tool, and then the machine is turned on that allows the ram to move upward and downward in vertical direction. After switching on, the ram moves upward and downward direction in a vertical direction, and then as the ram moves downwards, called as downward stroke, it cuts the metal from the workpiece, and then it moves upward, which is also known as return stroke, as quickly as without cutting the metal, similar to the shaper, in which in the forward stroke the cutting action takes place, but during the return stroke there is no cutting action takes place, so that will be uh, performed quickly. That's why it is called as quick return motion mechanism. In a similar way, in a slaughter, the downward movement is cutting stroke, in which the cutting action takes place, which happens slowly, and the return stroke or upward stroke is the idle stroke, in which there is no metal cutting action taken place. So that's why it has to be happened quickly. That's why it is also called as a quick return motion mechanism. So we can say that slaughter machine cuts the metal in the downstroke and remains idle, does not cut any metal in the return stroke. The feed in a slaughter can be worked automatically or manually. The feed in the slaughter can be worked automatically or manually. There is a mechanism inside that allows the movement of table. The cross slide according to the ram movement automatically. There are some mechanism is provided below the table, that is below the cross slide, for the automatic movement of the table according to the movement of the ram. If it is not there, then you have to move the table manually for cross feed and longitudinal feed. The movement of each part are interlinked with each other, and there is no chance of any error in the feed. The movement of each part are interlinked with each other, and there is no chance of error, that there is no chances of tool touching the workpiece in a large margin. It is not there. So every feed is proportional to each other. It is interlinked with each other. If the table moves, it is interlinked with all the other components. So there is no error in the feeding movement of the slaughter machine. Next, the advantages of the slaughter machine. It is a lightweight machine, and can easily transportable. So compared to planer machine, which is heavier, the slaughter machine is light in weight and can be transportable easily. It uses a single point cutting tool, which is very economical. So the slaughter machine, as similar to the planer and shaper machine, uses single point cutting tool, which is very economical, which is available at a low cost in the market. It gives you an accurate surface finish. The slaughter machine gives an accurate surface finish compared to planer machine, which is having n number of tools, 4 to 5 number of tools are there. So there the surface finish and accuracy is difficult to achieve in planer machine because of the heavy machines and large components that has to be handled and the number of tools. But here in the slaughter machine and the shaper machine, we use only one cutting action at a time. So cutting accuracy and surface finish is very good compared to slaughter machine. The cost of the machine is very low compared to other machines in this category. The cost of the slaughter machine is very low compared to the other machines in this category, such as slaughter, such as planer and shaper machine. Disadvantages of the skilled machine, the slaughter machine is a very skilled worker is required to operate the slaughter, because the each and every operation is controlled by the operator. High skill is required to operate the slaughter machine in order to get the accurate machining. It is the main disadvantages of the slaughter machine. Application of the slaughter machine. The slaughter machine is used to slot the keyways, gear and gear teeth. It is used to slot the keyways and gear teeth. It is also used for machining the internal and external flat surfaces and the circular surfaces. It is used for machining internal and external flat surfaces and circular surfaces. If there is a need of shaping the external and internal types of profile, then a slaughter is best choice. So, if internal slots has to be slotted, if you compare with the shaper, then slaughter machine is the best choice for making internal cuttings, internal and external shaping, external and internal types of profiles. It is used for machining irregular surfaces, as we have the table to clamp any kind of irregular surface compared to shaper which has only voice. Uh, we can the shape of the workpiece that has to be machined is limited in case of shaper machine, but we have direct round table with a T slot, so we can fix any kind of irregular shapes of workpiece onto the table, so which is accurately grounded, so that it is having clean accurate surface finish of the table is there, so that we can uh, fix any kind of complicated parts over the table of the slaughter machine. It is used for machining irregular surfaces such as blind hole, dies and punches, external and internal gear keys. Operations performed on slaughter. So cutting grooves, it is used to produce the grooves in the machine part. Making keyways, when two parts are needed to be meshed with each other with correct orientation, then the keys are used for it. So keys is required in both parts and it is produced with the help of slaughter machine. The internal slot, for producing internal slot, the slaughter machine is best choice compared to shaper. Cutting slots. It is used to produce slot of various sizes in the required machine parts. For cutting external and internal wear profiles also we use slaughter machine. Before going to end this session, we will watch the simple video on the slaughter machine. You can see the slaughter machine here. Here the ram reciprocates in the vertical direction. The ram carrying the tools. You can see the end of this tool. We can. This is the rotary table, which is either manually feeded or power feeded. Here we can put the tool, required tool for operation. This is the bed and this is the cross slide. This is the vertical housing, C type of structure made up of cast iron. एक बार सारा ये रैपिड में दिखा दो टेबल के मूवमेंट्स। पीछे आ रहा है, ठीक है, आगे ले जाओ। ठीक है, लेफ्ट राइट चला लो। टेबल आपकी तरफ आ रही है, ठीक है, उल्टी जरा। ठीक है, अभी टेबल की रोटेशन दिखा दो रैपिड में।
ठीक है, उल्टा। ठीक है, अभी टेबल को फीड में लगा के छोड़ दो। फीड फीड, हाँ टेबल को। टेबल का फीड वो घूम रहा है अंदर का, तो ये फीड है। बहुत अंदर का घूम रहा है। वो आगे फीड, ठीक है। अलग अलग ये इसका स्ट्रोक थोड़ा सा बढ़ा दो, 22 कर दो। बढ़ गया। ठीक है, तो ये बढ़ गया, तो इससे टेबल का फीड का रेट भी बढ़ गया होगा। ठीक है, ये और स्पीड में दिखा दो। हाँ, थोड़ा सा तेज दिखा दो। और तेज हो गया। ठीक है, ठीक है, एक और दिखा दो कोई। ठीक है, ठीक है, वो छोड़ दो। हाँ जी, और ये जो चाल चेंज होती है वो यहाँ से चेंज होगी, स्पीड उसका रेट। तो चलाने को हल्का सा। ठीक है, ठीक है, इससे चेंज होगा। ठीक है, ठीक है, और लीक करके भी हो गया। ऊपर जाना ले जाना, ठीक है, ठीक है, एक ही नंबर लगेगा।
So thank you for watching.